हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे अगर आपका एक नॉन टेक बैकग्राउंड है तो आप कैसे स्विच कर सकते हो टेक में, आप कैसे अपना करियर बना सकते हो डेटा साइंस या डेटा एनालिटिक्स में। लेट्स डिस्कस सम सिंपल स्टेप्स व्हिच कैन हेल्प यू टू लैंड योर ड्रीम जॉब। लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ अ क्वेश्चन। आप में से कितने लोग हैं जो डेटा साइंस या एआई में करियर बनाना चाहते हैं, बट उन्हें लगता है क्योंकि वो कोडर नहीं है या कोडिंग में एक्सपर्ट नहीं है तो वो डेटा साइंस या एआई में करियर नहीं बना सकते। ये सच नहीं है, काफ़ी लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं बट ये सच नहीं है। यू डोंट नीड टू बी अ कोडिंग वीजा टू मेक योर मार्क। दिस फील्ड इज नॉट जस्ट फॉर coders or tech geniuses. There is opening for everyone who is willing to learn. And so let's break it down step by step. डेटा साइंस, डेटा एनालिटिक्स, बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स, एआई, इन सब टर्म्स में बहुत ज़्यादा कंफ्यूजन होता है। सो फर्स्ट लेट्स क्लैरिफाई व्हाट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट। Data science is about finding patterns in data and predicting outcomes, like forecasting customer behavior. Then is data analytics. Data analytics focuses on analyzing past data for insights. Think of it like reading the story behind the numbers. Third one is business analytics. It is about using data for strategic decision making in companies. And last one is AI. AI, that's where the magic happens. Building smart systems like chatbots, recommendation engines. So, no matter your interest, there is place for you. Even if आप डेटा साइंस या डेटा एनालिटिक्स रोल में नहीं हो, फिर भी ऐसे बहुत सारे स्किल्स हैं जो बहुत क्रिटिकल हैं इन सब रोल्स के लिए, जो आप ऑलरेडी एक्वायर करते हो, लाइक कम्युनिकेशन, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग, डोमेन नॉलेज. These are very critical for these roles. For example, if you have worked in marketing or operations, you already understand how the business works. This is something data team need. So you already have these valuable skills. Now let's talk about some tools which can make the work easy. For analytical roles, mastering Excel and Tableau is a great starting point. For business analytics, SQL is a must. And along with understanding frameworks like SWOT analysis, if you are aiming for data science, learning Python basics is highly recommended. Don't worry, you don't need to master all of these, just start small. There is no shortage of resources to learn from. But if you are a complete beginner, I'll recommend some courses which you can start to kickstart your journey. First one is Google Data Analytics Certificate. It's beginner friendly and covers all the basics. And if you want to learn coding, you can check out Python for Everybody. It's a free course that makes coding less intimidating. And if you are curious about AI but don't want to get into the technical details, you can check for Andrew's AI for Everyone course, which is perfect for understanding the big picture. To land a job, you will need more than just knowledge. You will need to showcase what you can do. Start by creating dashboards or analyzing data sets from Kaggle. Then share your work on LinkedIn. This will not only build your portfolio but will also get attention from the recruiters and hiring managers. Networking is your secret weapon. Join LinkedIn groups focused on data science or analytics, attend webinars, ask questions, and engage with industry experts. Most importantly, don't be afraid to put yourself out there. You never know where a simple connection might lead. By now, you might be wondering which path should I take? So, if you love organizing data and creating reports, data analytics is a great fit. If you are into strategy and business decision, go for business analytics. If you enjoy coding and problem solving, data science is your thing. And if tech excites you and you are ready to explore AI, then go for AI. Whatever you choose, start small and build your way up. अगर आप पूछो इन सब में सबसे इजी क्या है स्टार्ट करना, तो एनालिटिक्स. It is the most accessible for non-techies and provides solid foundation. And as you grow more confident, you can transition into data science or AI for long-term career growth. Remember, every expert was once beginner. So your journey starts now. So this was a very short video for the people who want to transition their career from non-tech to tech, or for people who are already there in tech and want to switch into data science or data analytics or AI roles. And if you want a in-depth video या फिर आपको कोई questions हो जो आप पूछना चाहते हो, तो let me know in the comment section. I can create a longer in-depth video for you all. And also let me know if you want a video on any specific part. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you again in another video.